everyone, it's Lisa here. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you how you can adjust the scale of a pattern brush. And it's specifically if I'm going to use my Instant Artist collection that I've recently created. And in this example, what I want to do, I want to have lines running that way and that way, which basically creates kind of like a grid effect. So in my latest collection, I have a brush that's called Pattern Lines, and I'm going to show you how you can actually change that and manipulate it to suit your needs. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new layer, and I just want to bring it below my elephant, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose kind of like a, let's see, maybe like a purpley color and see what happens. Okay. I just want to see the size of the lines. Okay, so those lines I think are a little bit too small, you know, the gap in between of each line. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to adjust the scale. So I'm going to come over to, so what I've done is I've just clicked again. So I've selected that brush, I've clicked again, and that activates the brush studio. So I'm going to come down to my grain, and I'm just going to use the scale slider and bring it up slightly. Probably something like that. Have a quick test. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill this area. And I'm literally just pushing down on my pencil to get the fullest pressure of my pencil, so because I want to fill this area as fast as possible. Okay, so now we want the lines running that way, so I'm going to go back to that brush. I'm going to hit that again. Again, it's in Brush Studio, and in the grain we're going to come over to Edit, and then I'm just simply going to use my fingers and turn the whole pattern that way, so basically the lines are now running this way. And then don't forget to hit Done, Done again, and do the same. And fill that area in. Okay, and now what I particularly want to do is just adjust the opacity and the blending mode. So I'm probably going to choose Caliburn. Let's see what happens, and then just bring that down slightly. Yeah, I think Caliburn works. And that's it. And now if you want to reset that brush, it's very simple. You come back to your brushes panel, and you hit that brush again, come all the way down to About This Brush, and then you're going to reset brush. And then it's going to ask you, are you okay with that? Yes, you are. And it resets it back to its original state that you received it in. And of course, if all else fails, you just re-download your purchase again in case you've gone ahead and changed a whole bunch of things. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.